sadness is the message of our spirit telling us that we are experiencing a loss of hope. Hope is being able to feel the truth of our future, to be able to get a little bit of a glimpse of what actually is going to happen in our life. Who can provide that for us? The spiritual source, or what we call God, is the only source that can provide that for us. He's the only person that can provide that for us, because he knows what sadness means, and he knows he's the only one that can give us the hope that we need. He's the only one that can give us that glimpse into our future and that feeling of hope that we need. Anytime we even feel a little bit of sadness or a lot of sadness, we want that to be a signal of, I need hope, and I need to seek that spiritually to get the answer that I need.